Hey, what's up, guys? So I got another YouTube video for you guys with the BMW F30. The tail of the car really looks empty. Yeah, so if you can tell, it just really looks basic. And I felt like it really needed that carbon fiber spoiler. So let's see what I picked up from Amazon. I already unwrapped it, but they did wrap it very nicely. The carbon fiber weave looks extremely nice. Let's get a zoom in there. Yeah, so I've never owned a carbon fiber tail or spoiler. First thing I noticed is it's super, super light. Let's bring it to the light. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our rubbing alcohol. This is all I have, the 50%, but if you have 75% plus, I'd recommend just use that. I'm just gonna wipe this tail down, clean it up, make sure that 3M tape sticks really well. Alright guys, so I'm gonna speed up because it's starting to rain. I don't know why this is my luck, but the day I want to install my spoiler, it decides to rain. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, without taking off the 3M tape covers, whatever you want to call them, we're just gonna line it up where we want it. Get this right. Alright guys, now that it's lined up exactly how you want it, we're just gonna get our 3M tape and just kind of make like a little barrier so you know exactly where to place it. Looks really nice. Alright guys, so this is how I ended up placing my tape indicators. Now let's remove this protective sheet. Alright guys, so there you have it. It is starting to rain a lot harder now, but that is how easy it is to put on a spoiler. I bought this one for $180 on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Yeah, really good quality. It's got a different angle. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys like this kind of content, I'll be coming up with more mods. I'm going to be tuning this car, so subscribe, stay tuned for that.